to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today we are working with Hermosa Hair. They sent me, first of all, let me stop before I get lipstick on my teeth. Let me stop. But they sent me this exotica, giving very much exotica, giving very much give me more, give me more. She is so beautiful. I absolutely love her. I think this might be my new favorite curly wig, y'all. And it's only 24 inches. It's only 24 inches, and she's giving a whole lot of. So if you guys want to see all the details on this and see me unbox it, see what you get in it, all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Make sure you follow me on there so you can stay in touch with your girl. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into this video. What's up? It's been a minute. I wish I knew the words to songs, because I can't never sing shit a cappella because I don't know words. Anyway, we're back, y'all, and we are reviewing Hermosa Hair. Yes, they sent me this wig. I have not opened the packaging or anything yet, so let's go ahead and do this together. All right, so this is the wig. It comes in this packaging here. You also get a pair of lashes, wig cap, adjustable elastic band. So on the bottom of the packaging, it has, let me see if I can focus in on that. Okay, so it says 24 inches, 5x5, 220% density. I don't know what this means, or that up in the corner. So I'm very happy today because we have a 5x5 closure, and this looks very wide. This is giving very deep parting. I love how far it goes back because I like to do like a deep part. This is what the hairline is looking like. Very good. I will go in and pluck a little bit of this, but honestly it looks really good. Inside you do have 4 combs, adjustable straps, and remember those you got the adjustable elastic band too, you can sew on. You also have the extra lace right here. I believe this is a deep curly. I'm assuming it's a deep curly, not a deep wave. I believe it just said deep in the email. I'm not even sure, but it looks really pretty. It feels very full. The ends look very good. Very good. Ooh, I'm very excited. So I'm so glad this is a freaking 5x5. This is gonna make my life so much easier. Okay, so I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace here and pluck some of the hairline a little bit more, and then I'll be back, and I'm probably just gonna throw some water and some, if I have any conditioner, to be honest. I might just have to put some water in it because I got like a little bit of conditioner left. But yeah, we'll do that together, and then I'll come back at the end and tell you guys how I like it. All right, I'm back. All right, y'all. So I am almost done. I really want to trim the ends because for some reason there's these two long pieces in front. I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna trim those. I'm gonna trim those in a second, but I don't know, maybe it's like the last, like, I don't know where the hair is coming from exactly, but they're just a little bit long. But other than that, these curls are so pretty, and all I did was comb these curls out with my hands, and then I just sprayed a little bit of water in it, and then like kind of like finger coiled the ends, but really just used my my wet brush and like comb them out like this to give them like a little spiral curl. But yeah, that's really it. I really love this curl pattern though. Definitely wearing this to work tomorrow. Definitely keeping this on. But let's go ahead and take this off. And the hairline is looking very much laid. Yes, I love this. The lace looks so good. I did pluck it just a little bit more, and then I used some of this is it called Even? I'm not sure, but this Wonder Ponytail Bond Extreme Hold. I've been using this lately and I really like it. But yes, ooh, this hair is thick and hot, so it's gonna be perfect for the fall. Perfect for the fall. Ooh, this is giving pull hair too. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hold up. I love it. I freaking love all of this body. I love big hair like this. Like, I am absolutely obsessed. So again, this is a 5x5, so the closure does go from here to here. I just put some swoops in, foundation or concealer in the parting with some contour powder on top, some contour powder on top of the hairline as well, and then just a little bit back here, and that's it. This is what the ear tabs look like. This is very cute. I'm wearing this. I'm gonna wear this weekend because I think I'm gonna go out. Oh my God, I'm so hot. Hold on. Let me powder my center part right here because I'm getting a little oily. Okay, I literally been contemplating while doing this entire video if I should put some lip gloss on my lips. Should I? I don't know, but I'm liking my makeup today. My makeup looks so good. I did start using the Fenty foundation powder to set like my foundation and stuff, and then I did change my translucent powder to the Laura Mercier translucent honey, and I'm just loving every minute of it. And I still use my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. Has got me together. Okay, anyway, sorry, back to the wig. She's beautiful. She's giving me exotic. I look foreign. Tell me I'm not. Please tell me. Try to tell me I'm not mixed with something foreign. Yes, my daddy's black, but my mom is from the islands, okay? I don't know. But this wig is giving. I love it. Love it. So again, thank you Hermosa Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is absolutely stunning. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, the direct link. A discount code should be in there as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.